failed. Yes, this is going to be the test run of the ping pong game. Now let's test run. So to test run, I'll just make it big. No, let's just change it to 1 minute first. So I'm changing it to 60 seconds, and then let's see. No, in fact, 30 seconds for now. Okay, and then you can change it to whatever time you want to change it to in your own personal project. All right, let's test run and see who's gonna win after 30 seconds. All right, so the counter is moving. Can you see the timer is moving as 5 9. All right, so it's 1-1 now. So it's 2-1. I want someone to win, so I'm gonna give user one. Oops, I want user one to win. So oops, why am I doing this? It's almost 30 seconds. All right, so oops, now there's a mistake. Our game keeps running, and then it says it's a tie. Well, whereas user two is supposed to win. So where is the mistake from? The first thing we want to do is we want to debug this code because there's a mistake in our code. All right, so I said if user one is greater than user two, user one wins. Else, if user two is less than user. All right, so why not I think it's complicated like this. Sorry about that. Why not let's just use different if statement like if one. Oh, sorry. Like if, and then I keep duplicating for the three conditions for now. Let's see. This is just a way of debugging actually. So now I'm going to call out the conditions one after the other. If it is greater, if it is lesser, and if it is equals to, right? So now if user one score is greater than user two score, user one wins. If user one score is lesser than user two score, user two wins. And if user one score is equals to user two score. So if user one wins, we want it to broadcast. This is a tie, okay? If user two wins, we want to broadcast what? User two wins, and then if user one wins, we want it to broadcast user one wins. All right. Okay, but now after broadcasting, we want it to display. All of this, and then stop all after broadcasting. So you come to control, and then you stop all whatever is happening. Okay, this is stop all. After switching, we stop everything that is happening on the code. So this is just, let's see if this is going to work. All right, I'm going to hold on to the 30 seconds. In fact, I want it to be fast this time around. I'll hold on to 15 seconds just for us to get what we're actually looking out for. All right, so I'm going to leave one. I'm going to control one and leave one. I'll be controlling. I just want to be sure that it's working. So I'll leave the other guy to keep losing. That's 2-0, 3-0. Now user one wins. Can you see that? It's working because user one actually, and everything stops working. And that's what we're looking out for. Now, this time around, I want user two to win. This is a way of checking if your code is working. Oops, it's user two that is losing now. Alright, so I'm going to leave user one. Come on, be fast. Come on, boy. Okay, we want it to be a tie. Okay, so come on, move it. Alright, it should be a tie now. Now, it's a tie. Can you see? Because it's 1-1. You see that? It's a tie. Alright, now I want user 2 to win so that we can see what's actually happening. So we run it again, and then this time around I want user 2 to win. 1-0. Oops. 2-0. User 2 is leading now. 3-0. You see that? Alright, so in this case, I know user 2 is going to win. It should give us user 2 wins. So this is what exactly we're looking out for. Alright, so this is kind of like a test run of what we've done so far. So all I just did is to create a condition for when, for example, this is a nested if, that is if statement inside another if statement, and then we're checking the conditions one after the other, and after we're done with the condition, we said it should broadcast all this, and after broadcasting it should stop whatever is happening. Alright guys, that will be the end of the ping pong game. If you think there's any way we can improve on this, you can actually send a question. You can see we have written a lot of code, but that's the fun of it. Okay, alright, little code for all this one, but right, majorly the code is actually on tennis ball. Alright, remember to subscribe, like, and then ask any question you want to ask by dropping it in the comments below. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Keep flourishing and stay blessed.